Hello YouTube. Hello my fellow spicy nacho Doritos. In this video, I am going to talk about how media videos seem to a lot of the times not seem to be realistic thermal wise. Today, I was watching a movie called Sonic the Hedgehog 2 with my brother, who I am adopted to, or my adopted brother, which is basically the same definition, but he is not adopted. I am just adopted to him, which means he is not my biological brother. So I watched Sonic the Hedgehog 2 with him today, and I saw a part of that movie that actually reminded me about this flaw that a lot of media videos seem to have when it's referring to the characters for the script. When we referring towards thermal. Basically, when I sleep now, I sleep on top of my bed with no blanket over my body. The only thing I wear is my clothing I worn from before I was going or do go try to sleep, which is probably shorts, a shirt, and underwear underneath the shorts that I mentioned, and socks, unless otherwise I don't wear them when I try to sleep. Basically, also, mainly before I started taking cold showers, I would basically be dressed with shorts, socks, and underwear beneath those shorts, and running shoes, and a shirt, and that is what I would wear before when I didn't take all the way cold showers, and I would have actually not mind the cold or the rain for the wind. But actually, I had recently thought about it in the past, and I was trying to take all the way cold showers. So, I take all the way cold showers already now. Basically, movies or other types of video media seem to not even, at least because I know there were probably most people out of the majority who actually don't want to wear a shirt and would rather wear a shirt and a jacket, or a jacket or a sweater with a shirt, or a sweater and maybe pants. But I don't understand why it's almost like impossible to find a movie, at least, that shows someone who likes the cold and maybe takes cold showers and doesn't wear pants and a jacket or sweater. In like California, for example, I live in California, and literally people are wearing jackets and sweaters and pants. I don't get why movies could not at least show the rare person like me who doesn't wear that and probably takes, if mentioned in the movie as another characteristic for that character liking the cold, taking cold showers. So basically, in the movie I watched, it was Sonic the Hedgehog 2. There was a part of it where Sonic the Hedgehog put a blanket over Tails. Like, don't they have fur on their bodies? For what means, like, first of all, don't they have fur on their bodies? And second of all, why couldn't, I mean, I'm not saying they're like those characters that like the cold, but what if Sonic the Hedgehog did like the cold? I mean, what that means, what if Sonic the Hedgehog did like the cold? So basically, I think the movie mentioned something. What means something about Sonic the Hedgehog not liking water. Was it about cold water? So enough about that movie. There's other movies. What means? I think there's another movie. I won't mention what it is, but why is there a trend? Like, come on, why don't you ask for permission before you put a blanket over someone else? What if they will get upset when they wake up to find out you put a blanket over them? Like, for example, I don't sleep now with a blanket over my body, and I take all the way cold showers as an extra add-on to say for that. So, basically, movies seem to not show people in the rain enjoying it with minimal warmth clothing like how I seem to do. Could there at least be a movie that shows one character who's like that in it, or maybe a TV show, or so all of what they said, like, couldn't there be at least one character for everything I said about this subject, like that in any TV show, movie, or just media in general with a video? I know you probably will only see people wearing warmth clothing, or what I guess I should say is clothing for warmth. But basically, there has to be someone else like me out there. So, because of that, I have a question for all of you. Is there any media where it's like a story and the character or characters in it actually wear minimal warmth clothing like I do during cold weather? I live in California, and where I live, I actually enjoy the weather. I like it so much, I don't even wear a jacket or a hoodie jacket or even a sweater or a hoodie sweater. I basically just wear the minimal warmth clothing I mentioned. I never had to since I stopped the last time I... What I mean since I last stopped for the last time I stopped wearing warmth clothing, which I think it is because I was told to by my adopted mom, because she claimed she doesn't want me to get in trouble. And by the way, when I said adopted mom, I mean I was adopted. What means adopted to her, and it doesn't mean she is what it means, and it doesn't mean she is adopted. It's just basically a way to say she is the mom who got me as her child adopted to her. So, if any of you of my fellow spicy nacho Doritos know any story published as public that contains at least one character that like my song video I uploaded to YouTube before this video, I will upload like loves the code. So if you know any story, any video type of media that is uploaded as public that has at least one character that as my song video I had uploaded to YouTube is titled Like Love the Code, then please mention that to me in the comment section for this upcoming YouTube video. Bye YouTube. Bye my fellow spicy nacho Doritos. By my fellow spicy nacho Doritos.